A record experiment by a Chinese satellite has taken the bizarre world of quantum physics to new heights and is likely to lead to other countries, including Canada, in their efforts to develop an unhackable form of long-distance communication. "We have done something that was absolutely impossible to use conventional approaches," Jian Wei Pan, project leader and physicist at the China University of Science and Technology in Hefei. Dr. Pan suggested the performance of his team had kicked off a new quantum space race. The tour de force experiment featured a device on the satellite that emits pairs of individual photons of light joined by a mysterious effect known as quantum entanglement of two separate receiving stations on Earth. The stations were located 1,203 kilometers away, a tenfold increase in distance over ground tests. Because such quantum signals are effectively impervious to eavesdropping, the results have implications for efforts to create safer communication networks. "I believe this will lead to increased interest in other countries for follow-up." Thomas Jian, a University of Waterloo researcher, who called the Chinese test the first proof of concept for satellite-based quantum communications. Dr. Jian has long been working towards a Canadian version of Earth Experiment Space, and last fall demonstrated that a system was built at the University Institute for Quantum Computing was able to establish a link with a passing plane. In March, the federal government allocated an additional $80.9 million to the Canadian Space Agency's budget over the next 5 years, part of which is devoted to the development of a quantum satellite encryption demonstration mission. Research groups in Germany, Singapore, the United States and Britain, among others, are also conducting their own variants of quantum communications in space.